Hi everybody, this is Sannie from Sannie Creates. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is my latest release, but it's been out for a while, but I just haven't done a video on it, so I'm just doing a video quickly on it. It is in my Etsy store as well as my Ko-fi store. It is called Golden Opulence, and I shall put the links down below. It is 26 pages with 8 main pages. Yeah, 8 main, 10 ephemera, and 8 background pages. Okay, and it is designed A4 and for the most part landscape. Okay, so it's got a little bit of a Victorian theme in it. Oh, vintage? No, it is Victorian, I think. Yes. Okay, and it has like lace and flowers and doilies and stuff like that. So it's definitely a beautiful, beautiful kit. So that's page 1. Okay. That's page 2. That's page 3. Page 4. Page 5. 6. I've given you spaces here and there to write as well. 7. Sorry, I printed this kit and I left it to the side, but I actually didn't even look at it. 8, like, in detail. I looked to see if there's anything not right, and then but not in detail. Today is the first day I'm really looking at it. So this is one of the background pages. The second background page. Number 3. 4, excuse me, and I printed my background pages borderless, so it would have cut out some of the images. 5, and then 6 over here. Okay. 6. Oh yeah, 7. Oh, I love this page. And then, oh, sorry about that, 8. Okay, and then you've got your ephemera pages with your journal cards, 2 in landscape and 2 in portrait. I'm definitely going to make a kit out of this. And your 3 huge journaling cards. Your pockets, okay, that 2, and then that 2. And I've started leaving the pockets a little bit blanker, if you could say that, because if you want to put embellishments on them. 2 journal cards there. Here we've got this like ticket style ones. Here a belly band or a side tuck. Got your 2 envelopes over here. More journaling cards, but smaller ones, and then tiny ones here. Sorry, tags, not cards. If I use the word cards, I'm wrong. There's another tag there with 2 postcards. A file folder, some of the labels that I love, and some circles for you to use. another big envelope, and two, well, different sizes of tags over here as well. Oh, and notice this is normal 150 GSM and it went through my printer. And then two smaller pockets and three larger, large tickets. This is horizontal. This is horizontal and that's vertical. Okay, so you can use your tickets in different directions. Okay, like for mini belly bands, and then that one can be like a tuck spot, whatever you want to do. Okay, so that's my kit. I hope that you like it. I'm really loving this kit, and definitely, you know, when I speak about more of what's my style, this is definitely my style. Then I have done a Friday freebie that is already on my Ko-fi shop, that if you purchase this kit, well, whether you purchase it or not, it doesn't really matter, but if you're purchasing this kit and then you are wanting, you know, some extras, you can find it on my Ko-fi store. I will leave the link below. And then this week Friday, there is another Friday freebie to match this kit as well. So you if you purchase this kit, you've got two extra, you know, bits of ephemera that you can actually work with. But as I mentioned, on my Ko-fi store, whether you purchase this kit or not, you'll still find those two bits of two different days of Friday freebies where they can be used, but they do match this kit over here. So thanks so very much for having a look, and thank you for all your continued support through my shops. I appreciate it so much, and take care, much love, and have a blessed week, month, evening, day until I see you again with another digital release. Bye bye.